Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do an enveloping of a certain item that I got from CPA Authentics, and it's a pre-order. And if you check in the description box down below, you know what it is. And dudes and dudettes, it was worth the wait. So enough chit chat, be quiet and shut up and see what is inside this year envelope. And of course they don't have a sticker on this one, so they wrote do not bend. So no chit chat, let's see what's inside. Alright, now what was in that envelope? It's this. A Dermont Mulroney signed autograph with the character Dirty Steve from the 1988 hit film Young Guns, starring Emilio Estevez, Charlie Sheen, Kiefer Sutherland, Lou Diamond Phillips, Casey Semenko, and who else? And Dermont Mulroney. The story of 6 reasons why the West was wild. Billy the Kid and his gang, known as the Regulators. That's right. If anybody has never seen Young Guns, please let me know in the comments down below. What were your favorite characters? What were your favorite scenes in the film? And also, is anybody excited about Guns 3, Young Guns 3, which Emilio Estevez is rumored to direct the film? Heck, I know I'm looking for a third Young Guns movie, because even though I wasn't born around, I was in 1990. A few of my homies were born. 2 of my buddies that I know of were born that year. Actually, 3, when the sequel came out. And a buddy of mine was an infant at the time, and a homegirl was 10 at the time, or turning 10 when the first movie came out. And what else? And plus, the sequel was released around August or July of 1990. My mom found out she was pregnant with me in August. So yeah, and what was iconic is why was the West was wild back in the day? Because of Billy the Kid and his gang, the Regulators. So yeah, and also, yeah, you had the characters, you love them dearly, and these were the anti-heroes of their days in the Westerns. And if you need to know more, a little something, I'll leave you the link in the description box down below for the for Joe Blob's of the WTF happened to this movie. WTF happened to Young Guns. Like, what the fuck happened to Young Guns? I'll leave you the link in the description box down below and check it out. And also, you guys already know Young Guns got a 4K release. But if you didn't know that it had a Blu-ray release, but screw the Blu-ray release that we got years ago, because the transfers were not that good. The ones in the US. But the one from Umbrella Entertainment, I'm thinking about pulling the trigger very soon. The sequel, I'm pulling the trigger on that one. The regular Blu-ray and the one from Umbrella Entertainment. So yeah. So among other things, folks, I mean, the Young Guns are very cool Westerns. Anybody like spaghetti Westerns? Please let me know in the comments which is your favorite Western growing up, before Young Guns, of course. And also, tell me what is your favorite Dermont Mulroney movie as well. And among other things. So shout outs to CP Authentics, and also shout outs to Dermont Mulroney. And let's go with shout outs to the physical media collectors, the toy collectors, and the physical media collectors, the toy collectors, autograph collectors, and all you collectors out there, and such. And if you like content like this or any other content, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, if you have any opinions, comment down below. And always appreciate the thumbs ups, always. And plus, I'm in the YouTube community. Oftentimes, what time I post videos at a certain time, or in the same day, whatever. So check it out as well. So yeah. Well, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off, y'all. Take care. God bless you. Feliz Navidad, y'all. Happy holidays, y'all. And enjoy the weekend. Later.